Hi everyone, we are back with the Irish Crochet book. Today we're here with motif number 34, which looks something like this. And when complete, it looks something like this. It's a really pretty like partial flower on padding cord, of course. So that's what the piece looks like. I'm using some standard thread yarn that I've got laying around. We're using a 3.5mm crochet hook. For the padding cord, I'm using a bright orange so you can see what I'm doing. But ideally, the colour of your padding cord on your yarn should be the same. Before we get into it, please like the video, comment, subscribe. This just helps other viewers to find my videos. Let's get into it. By securing our yarn, I tend to just twist it like this and do 4 chains. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space. We need 12 single crochets in the center space here. Slip stitch into the first chain space. Now we need to connect our padding cord. Gonna just loop it through like that. Chain 1. We need to do 20 single crochets on this padding cord. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, next chain space that you see from where you started, go ahead and slip stitch. Take the padding cord with you. Slip stitch. We've now got our first petal. Now, slip stitch into the next chain space. Again, take the padding cord with you. And we're going to do 20 single crochets around the padding cord again, because we need 4 petals in total. I am going to speed up the single crocheting a little bit. And now slip stitch in the next chain space. We've now got 2 petals. Slip stitch in the next chain space, and we're going to make yet another petal. Third petal. I'm gonna slip stitch it and slip stitch into the next chain space and make our final petal. Just secure my final petal like that. So you should have 4 petals that look like that. You should have 4 chains beneath this. So I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work downwards. So we're going to go ahead and do a single crochet around the padding cord in the 4 chain spaces that we've got left. So I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 like that. And now turn your work around and we're going to do 4 single crochets across this way, again taking the padding cord with us. This is a little bit difficult because we're not chaining anything, so I need to get into the first chain space there. So I've got 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and the last one, 4 single crochet. Now we are the right way around again. So now your work should be looking something like this. We're now gonna decrease these 4 single crochet down to 2 going across. I call these cluster single crochets. I don't know what they're technically called, but I will tell you what I mean by that. So what I mean by that is you start a single crochet, but you only pull through 1. Then the next chain, you start a single crochet, you only pull through 1, and then you pull through everything. Please drop in the comments below if there's an official name for this stitch. So again, the last 2 chains that we've got, start the single crochet, don't finish it. I'm going to go in the last chain space there, which is a little bit difficult to get into. Yep, I'm being defeated by the chain. There we go. Only pull through 1, 3 strands on the hook, pull through everything. Now we're going to work the stem. The stem consists of 40 single crochets going down. So I'm going to crack on with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 single crochets, not 40, sorry. I can't read Chinese, so I've just counted the stitches again. Here we go. That's what the finished piece looks like. Now, I'm just gonna show you something here. So, can you see how my stem is curved? Because obviously I have to single crochet, it's gonna be curved. The beauty of padding cord is you can manipulate it. So like if I pull it down, like that, now it's straight. See that? So that is the complete pattern. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the world to me. I'm shortly going to be back with motif number 36. To finish off with, you're going to snip your yarn and you're going to grab a darning needle, tie a knot and thread it in. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate that because I only make these patterns just for demo purposes and I don't want to waste yarn. Bye-bye.